folks, I'm here in the Shell Museum, and it seems to be that today it's open. The last time when I was here there wasn't anybody, so I'm happy today to visit this Nova Shell Museum. Hello. Told me there are a lot of shells here. Here we are. Tiger mussels. I know that one from shops. Oh, look to the big ones. They are beautiful. Wow. Seahorse, mega big seahorse. These are these animals, they are here since billions of years. The problem of nowadays, the people eat the shells, the meat inside, so you can hardly find big shells like that one, for example. That. And here the ocean. Maybe in the deep ocean can find, no? When you go really deep. So there is a huge variety here in the Philippine Sea of wonderful different species of shells. Look to that. The small ones. Is this collection private? Okay. Collect them and eat them. And these are these long ones. I found them in Costa Rica. Oh, I'm not sure. This is one of them. So they are highly interesting because they swim. They can swim in the water also. I have a coin collection today. You know, folks, I'm interested to everything which comes out of the nature. It's a shame that we kill these animals, but even in a museum, I want to see them, because in nature, I found a small one, them already, yeah, you can find them also on the beaches. Ah, Lawrence Fishbone was here. Tiger mussels. It's really huge, this museum, and they have really a very big collection of shells. I enjoy this so much. I always remember my mother when we went to the beach. She always collected the shells. She would love this so much. Makes me also a little bit sad. thinking to my mother. I love your mother. She died in 13th of December 2019. I'm looking all these shells for you. Look to that when you can see it from somewhere. This wonderful painting. Your name?
So my name is Jason.
Jason?
Yes, I'm a local guide here.
Ah, okay. So please tell us, who collected all these shells here?
Okay, so the collector of these shells is Mr. Kirino Hara. Then he started collecting shells since the age of 32 and now is 81 years old.
Wow, and he's still alive.
Yes, actually.
It's a happy man. Thank you so much.
Welcome, sir.
What was the name?
Kirino Hara.
Kirino
Hara.
Hara. Oh, thanks so much. Say him greetings for me. I love these shells so much. Thank you. So this is great, folks. I'm impressed, really. And this man started to collect shells so long time ago, when they had these huge ones. We will regenerate, we will protect the nature, we will stop eating all these animals, let them alive in the ocean, and maybe in 100 years there are still people who can find these huge shells in the ocean. Killer mussels. So I say bye-bye to the Shell Museum. It was really beautiful here. Go there, they say here private property. But this is the way to the sunset point. It's going here through the jungle, but I'm near to the southernmost point of Panglao. Here is a mangrove jungle, and this is actually a riverbed here. Mangroves and the way. What in the hell they are doing in the water? They collect something. So here it is, folks. This is the southernmost point of Panglao. You can, when you see here behind me, there is Bohol, and this is all this Panglao. About 50 kilometers, and at this side, behind me, there is Cebu Island. And there is a beach. So I met some people here But actually we are the only people look to this beach. Nobody coming here and say it's not possible. It looks like a paradise. What do you think? Nobody here in this wonderful vegetation. And even I have my drone with me today. Maybe I fly also the drone. So this place is secret, it's even not in Google Maps. Nobody knows the name. When you drive to the final, there is something like Sunset Point. This is the way. Then you park the motorbike there and you walk a little bit through the jungle and then you get to this paradise here.
Just wanna behold you. Time to say goodbye to your love again. Missing you, I'm missing you. Come to me again. Come on baby, let it go. Make me fine again. Love is you.
So this was it here from the Shell Museum. I love you so much, my friends. We will discover the secret places here in the Philippines. Interesting stories about people. This channel is going a completely new way this year. You will be surprised. I promise you, we will do a lot of wonderful things. Not this huge touristic stuff. My channel is even also for people who love the nature, who want to change something in their lives, who want to see how beautiful is this planet, you know. Oh folks, this is great. I love this place so much. Look at all these shells here. Wow, it is so wonderful. So until my next video, bye bye, I love you.